Welcome to Python Basics Tutorial Part 7, Introduction to Python Basics. Try except blocks are used in Python for exception handling. An exception is an error which stops the execution of the program and generates an error message. If we can handle the exception by anticipating where it can occur and how it can occur, we can catch the exception and continue with the program execution flow without any hindrance. For this purpose, try block can be used to anticipate a block of code with error. Without try block, the program may crash or raise error, so it is important for try block to raise exception and let except block to catch the error. Except block can be used to handle the error. This block need to have code about how the program must behave when an exception is raised. We can use as many except blocks as we want based on the error type, or can use a single except for all exceptions. We can use else block to execute a block of code if try and except doesn't raise any errors. Finally, block can be used to execute a block of code regardless of the result of try and except blocks. We can use finally for cleanup actions such as closing files, terminating database connections, and etc. If you want to raise or throw an exception on a condition, use raise keyword. A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern which can be used to match or find a matching string patterns in Python. Import re module for working with regular expression methods. Few of regex functions are findall, search, split and sub. Regex uses meta characters in forming the search pattern. Each meta character has a special meaning. Here you can find few working examples with re methods. JSON is JavaScript object notation written in text. JSON is used to store and exchange data. Python has built-in JSON package that you can import and use. Convert from JSON string to Python object using JSON loads method. Convert from Python object to JSON string using JSON dumps method. Thank you. Please proceed to Python Basics Tutorial Part 8, Python How-Tos.